Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import CSV file to Supabase table. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Supabase and then open the first link and then sign in to your account and then go to your dashboard. If you have already your dashboard in front of you, you can skip the login phase and then go to your project, select the project that you want to import the CSV to, and then go to table editor. Now, if you have already created a table with some columns and fields, that's good. If you didn't do this, you can press on, it will be a button here to create the table, and then you can create the fields, types, and names, and then you can see import data from CSV. You press on it, and now you can drag and drop or browse your files. You press on it. Now you see the option to choose your CSV from here, and then you can import your CSV here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.